Hey guys, welcome to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I think you've noticed in a previous video I've mentioned that my nieces are staying with me for the week, and my mom just showed up after work to come pick them up to give me a break. And you guys always say I'm cleaning a clean house, and my house is a disaster, so I thought I'd show you around and then do a little speed clean to get it all cleaned up before they come back this evening. Okay, so this is in my kitchen area, and we had been making slime, which I think I've probably already posted that video by now. You guys have seen it. There is slime all over my floor. You guys always think my floors are clean. Look at this. It is not. They run in and out of that door. Slime accidentally fell on my chair, so I've been working on it. I got the stain out and then it started peeking back through, so I'm working on it. Look, like slime ended up everywhere. It's on my windows. I've got this stuff out of making it. The supplies I've went ahead and washed, but I need to dry them and put them away. Other cups I need to put away. The living room is not so bad. I can clean that up pretty quick. And then back here, this is how the room was left. And normally they're really good about helping me clean it up, but my mom just showed up and took them. So I said I would get it nice and fresh before they come out. And then I think my beauty room, glam room, needs some attention. So I'm gonna get to cleaning.
Time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. It was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way. doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
Okay, I wanted to show you that everything's clean and picked up. Bathroom's clean, her bedroom's clean, her closet's all back organized. There's all their stuff. I love seeing stuff in threes. And then the living room's back clean. There's Tiger over there asleep on the sofa. Kitchen's all clean. I think I got all the slime picked up for now. I'm sure I'll keep finding pieces of it. But that looks all clean. And then my glam room was another area they'd been playing, and it's all clean. So it was about 30-45 minutes, but now my house is clean and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.